Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you a simple task how to clean the Vitamix container after making a smoothie. Now believe it or not, there's a very simple effective way to do it that not many people know about. Now if you like this or other quick Vitamix related tips and tricks, please leave me a comment down below the video. Let me know what you'd like to see me do. I'll try to do it. Alright, so now let's go in the kitchen and clean the container. Hey you guys, please support Blending with Henry by hitting that like and subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be alerted when new video content arrives. Now for more recipes, visit my website blendingwithhenry.com. So the first thing to do is make a smoothie. Now I have strawberry, mango, and blueberry. Now sometimes berries take more effort to clean up. We got the party in the glass, and now let's clean the container. Okay, I have a measuring cup full of water, and it's very important to use hot water. I'm just going to pour it right into the container. Now, it's important not to fill the container full of water. Just a couple of drops of dish soap, and no more than 2 to 3 drops. With this amount of water, it will create a washing machine effect, so every bit of the container gets clean. Now if you fill the container up too high, the water will just spin around. Don't forget the lid plug, we don't want any accidents. Okay? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and just start it right now. Now I'm going to show you guys just what happens when you have too much water in the container. Don't expect any drama here, okay? There's no water splashing everywhere, okay? I'm going to start on low and then I'm going to ramp it up. Already you can see the water's just spinning around. You can see that the water is barely reaching the lid, so it's less efficient this way. Now I'm going to show you without soap why less water is more effective. Notice the up and down washing machine effect. As you can see, the water clearly splashing all the way to the top of the lid, thoroughly cleaning it. Now you want to pour out your soapy water. Fill it up with hot water again. And it doesn't matter how much water you use this time. Just add some dish soap. And you don't want to use the old water, you guys, because it has the smoothie stuff still in it. Now we're going to use a scrub brush to thoroughly clean the walls of the container. Now, a scrub brush is handy for cleaning the blades if any seeds or food is stuck underneath them, and it's much safer for you. Now discard that soapy water and give it a quick rinse. Also, rinse the gears underneath. They won't leak or rust. And there you go. The container and blades are fully clean. But We're not finished yet. Lastly, you want to fully dry your container so it won't get water spots. You can see it's full of water droplets. Now I always use a microfiber cleaning cloth. Magic. Now you see my hand, now you don't, okay? Alright, here's a safety tip. Drape the cloth over your hand, and this will protect your hand from getting poked by the blades. Now, it's not much to tell you guys here, but wipe it until it's dry, okay? Now take that whichever way you hear it, okay? Now do the same for the lid. You're ready to store your container for your next blend. Now this method will help keep your container looking newer longer. Alright you guys, this was too much fun. Now leave me a comment below and let me know how you liked the video. Now if you would like to support Blending with Henry with your Vitamix purchase, please use the links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. See you soon.